Abstract Floral Background die. I believe this is the one that I haven't gotten to play with this one very much. And so what I want to do with this one, and why mine still has tape on the back, what I'm going to do with this one is two different things. Number one, and I think one of our design team members might have done this, but I'm going to do it. So I have some cardstock, white cardstock, enough for my die. Let's get some scratch underneath me. You're kind of blowing my mind now that I can use white. It's like kind of throwing me off a little, Ken. What'd you do? Fix the...
I don't know, it's just been showing up pretty good lately. So
oh, well, that's fantastic.
See. Now it probably won't.
Now it won't because it's all white, but whatever.
Yeah.
I'm going to get our regular brushes out. And I'm going to get my inks out. These, the 8 drawers should be back in black only. Should be back in stock, hopefully by the end of February. We're trying. So we're going to do rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet.
Make sure you subscribe if you're not a Stamps of Life subscriber. Hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 30,000. We're just about...
I know, we're so dang close.
1,100 away, I think. So tell your friends or sign up your kids or your husband.
Subscribe your kids.
Spam your kids, yes.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to get some ink down. And I'm literally going fast because this is not like something that needs to be perfect because you're not going to see all of this. I'm just getting ink down. Now, my question to you is, what if I did this? Hang on, I want to get more ink there. Okay, my question is, what if I did this? This might be cool. Oh, I like that.
Amazing.
I know, isn't that pretty? So we're going to get ready. Now, this is a great way to need to re-ink your mini pads. So, yeah, you will need to re-ink your mini pads if you do this very often, but I don't care. Let's see. So let's do yellow, red, orange, yellow. Look how pretty that is. I once did a class one time where we actually stamped these and we used them as stamps, but see, this one already needs to be inked. Red, orange, yellow, green. Oh, kiwi. Where's my kiwi? Where's my kiwi? Oh, where? Green apple. Green leaf. Oh, you know what? Kiwi's going to be over here. Kiwi is my favorite green, you guys. Although sage is very pretty. So here's kiwi. Red, orange, yellow, green. And we're going to add a green. See? I told you that green is gorgeous. And then red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Oh, we got to do ocean. What's this one? Pool. Let's do pool. So let's get pool in there. The problem is, hang on. Why are you acting weird? The problem is I'm worried we're not going to have space for our another one that needs to be reinked. That my purple. And let's do grape. Now, if you have any questions, Fayleen's on the chat, and Kenny hopefully can see it so I can answer too. And then purple. That one's getting dry too. Ooh, that one's very dry. That one needs to be re-inked. Okay, so I should leave that one out. So now what we're going to do, so now we have our background, right? Now I am going to die cut that with a regular layering die. So an A2 layering die. You can see that Stephanie has it right here. It looks unorganized, but trust me, my friends, it is very organized because there it is. Didn't take me long at all, did it? And I'm going to die cut this just like that right there. Now I am definitely going to put some paper down, adhesive on that, because otherwise it's just going to fly off, right? And is that seriously the only one I have right here? So we're going to trim that. And you know what the kicker is this is not the card I wanted to make. I forgot I was going to do something else. Anyway, moving on. So we're going to just do this and then we'll do something else. So you know what? I want to make sure this can go crooked in my machine. So I'm going to trim the paper down. And now we're going to run it through the machine. Dun, 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 dun. So we're going to run this through. Now, I know some of you are fretting a little that it's not like perfect, but that's okay because when we do this, it doesn't need to be perfect. So now we have that. Now we're going to get, again, that black foil, another one, because it needs to be a larger size. And we are going to get some adhesive sheets, and I grabbed one here. And we're going to, again, peel this off. Now, I know these are confusing at first, but I tell you the first thing to do, peel here. So you're going to peel there. Then you're going to flip this over like that. Now it's all a sticker, right? This whole thing's a sticker. I'm going to grab this die. Now, you guys, everything you see is a blade here. Every single thing you see is a blade. We're going to turn this over and we're going to run this through like 2 or 3 times, right? Because everything you saw there was a blade and that could get messy, right? So we're going to run this through and we're going to run it back. And just for kicks, I'm going to run it one more. Probably didn't need to do that third one, but you know what? On camera, it's always better to be safe. Now we're going to lift this up.
So more intricate dies more times through the machine. Right?
Yes, because you know what? Less weeding. Less weeding. Because a lot of it's going to come out in the die itself. Give that a couple hits and you're going to see all those fly everywhere, right? Then, when we peel this off, so watch this. When I peel the adhesive backing off, a lot of those pieces will get kept with the trash. So look at, see all the black you're seeing right now? Those are all little pieces that I didn't have to weed because I ran it through 3 times. See, less weeding. I don't like to weed. And then I had a couple more in there. Give it a flick or 2, and let's see, hang on. 1 left, hang on, 1, oh, 2 left. Oh, 3, darn. 4, darn. There we go, I think that's it. Hang on. Now, watch this, you guys. This is where the magic is happening. I guess I should have flicked it another time. Oh, this is so pretty. It reminds me of stained glass windows. And my dad used to do stained glass windows, Kenny. Did you know that?
No, he likes
in our
that
house
kind
in
of stuff.
Chino, he did this like, yeah, he did a lot of stained glass. So now we're going to lay this down, edge to edge, press. Now again, what are we going to do? We're going to burnish this a little. You guys, don't forget this step. This step is going to change your life when you realize it's really going to stick when you do this. There we go. Now look at that, you guys. Is that the most gorgeous thing you ever saw in your life? Is that the most gorgeous thing you ever saw in your life?
Nice. You don't even notice the shading in the inks where it was a little bit.
I know. No, of course not, because it's too pretty.
You're drawn to the.
I know. You're just drawn to the
design,
design.
yeah.
I know. Isn't that pretty? So, and how easy was that, right?